Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a new mythical epic coming to Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so if we go to buddies, and then we go down a little bit, we can see Gryphtopus, which is a variant of Gryphtopus, or Gryphtopus, or whatever you want to call it. It's just been added to the pet book. And this looks insane. This is my first time seeing it. So, it has like this coral mask thing. Tentacles for its hair. Yeah, it has bubbles coming out of the ground. It has coral on its back. Its tail is tentacles. So yeah, that looks pretty cool. There's also moth bud, but not really important. Yeah, there's nothing else right now. But yeah, it looks super cool. So now we're going to look at it in the pet book. Alright, so here it is. It says Gryphtopus hides in the deepest part of the ocean where light cannot reach. It uses its tentacles to get a sense of its surroundings. This is pet number 205. Let's go to our team. It's right here. So it's legendary. Its element is water. Health 750, speed 390, power 500, defense 750. So it's not great. It doesn't really matter if I add it to my team because I can't battle with it. But yeah, I really like how this looks. I'll try and do a battle with it. It 99%, or I'm 99% sure it's not going to work. But we'll try anyways. Alright, let's see. Yeah, we still can't battle with it. We can't battle with mythical epics. Also, people ask me how I get these early. I hack to get them. Just for the content, though. I'm not actually gonna, like, use this. But, yeah, this is a very cool mythical epic. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe. Another thing, this is not what I was expecting to come out this month. I was expecting the Vegabloom, but fine.